Are you tired of struggling paycheck to paycheck? Do you feel like no matter how hard you work, you are stuck in the same financial situation? Well, today I'm going to share with you a proven strategy that can help you break free from the cycle of poverty in just 6 months. Stick around because this could change your life forever. First, let's talk about the cycle of poverty. It is not just about not having enough money, it's about being trapped in a system where your income barely covers your expenses, leaving no room for saving or investments. But don't worry, because with the right strategy, you can break out of this trap fast. Step 1. Master your mindset. Everything starts with your mindset. If you believe that poverty is your destiny, it will be. But if you train your mind to see opportunities instead of obstacles, everything changes. Read books on financial literacy, listen to the podcast, surround yourself with the people who inspire you. For example, instead of saying, I cannot afford this, try asking yourself, how can I afford this? Shifting your thinking from limitation to solution will open in new possibilities, opens the doors for opportunities. You will find the way how to achieve anything. It is all about your positive thinking. Take control over your finances. Track every dollar you earn and spend. Create a strict budget. When creating a budget, consider the 50-30-20 rule. Allocate 50% income to the essential expenses, rent, food, utility. 30% to the things you want, and 20% must go to the savings. Cut unnecessary expenses. Stay away from the debit. Quit addiction and start saving. Even if just $10 a week, small habits compound over time. For example, if you are spending $5 on coffee every day, switch to making coffee at home. That alone can save you over $100 a month, which can go towards debit repayment or savings. Next step, increase your income with smart side hustles. If your main job is not paying you enough, you need to make more money, period. Look into the side jobs like freelancing, selling digital products, driving for Uber, or even tutoring online. Multiple income streams are the key to the financial freedom. For example, you're working for a minimum wage job, but in your spare time, start helping children doing homework online. In just 3 months, you will double your income. Find the link in the description for tutoring online jobs. Next step, invest in high return skills. One of the fastest ways to escape poverty is by upgrading your skills. Learn high income skills like coding, copywriting, or digital marketing. You can do this online often for free. More skills equal to more opportunities equals to more money. For example, learn a free online course in a social media marketing. You can take this course with your own pace or in weekends. I'm sure within a few months you will land on a job paying you double from your previous salary. Next step, build a financial safety net. Start saving for emergency and investing wisely. Even a small emergency fund can keep you from falling back into a debt. Look into a low risk investment like index fund and always keep growing your financial knowledge. Start setting aside $50 per paycheck into a high yield saving account. Within 6 months, you will have $600 in emergency savings. Gives you financial security. Next step, build a network and seek mentorship. Who you know can change your life. Surrounded yourself with the people who are financially successful. Keep mentor who have been where you are and made it out. Learn from others your path to success. Few years ago, one of my friends joined a local entrepreneur network group and found a mentor who guided her in launching her small business. Within months, her earnings tripled. Now, time to take action and stay consistent. Knowledge without action is useless. The key is to take action every single day. Even a small step will add up over time. Stay consistent, keep pushing forward, and before you know it, your financial situation will be completely different. Committed yourself 3 hours a day to work on side hustles. After 6 months, you will have enough money to spend strong financial life. Remember, escaping poverty is not about luck, it's about strategy, mindset, and action. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss more life-changing content. Drop a comment below with the step you are going to start with today. Thank you for watching. Stay happy, stay healthy.